Hi, Speaker 1. Can you hear and see me okay?
Hi, Speaker 2. Yes, loud and clear. Thank you so much for scheduling this video call with me on a Friday afternoon.
It's my pleasure. First of all, on behalf of the entire team, I want to say again how delighted we are that you are joining us. We are all very excited to have you on board.
Thank you so much. I am incredibly excited to start on Monday. I can't wait to meet everyone and to get started on my new role.
That's great to hear. The reason I wanted to have this short, informal chat today is to make your first day on Monday as smooth and as comfortable as possible.
That is so thoughtful of you. I really appreciate that. Starting a new job can be a little bit intimidating.
It can. So I just want to walk you through the plan for your first morning, and I want to talk about how we will introduce you to the rest of the team so you know exactly what to expect.
That would be so helpful. Thank you. A clear plan for the first day would definitely make me feel less nervous.
Of course. So on Monday morning, I would like you to arrive at the office at 9 o'clock. I will meet you at the reception desk in the main lobby.
Okay, meet you at reception at 9. I will be there.
Great. First, I will give you a quick tour of the office and show you to your new desk so you can put your things down and settle in a little bit.
That sounds good.
Then, at 9:30, we have our regular Monday morning team meeting. The whole team gets together for about 30 minutes to plan the week ahead. This will be the perfect opportunity for me to formally introduce you to everyone at the same time.
So you will introduce me at the team meeting. That makes a lot of sense.
Yes, it's much more efficient than taking you from desk to desk. After the meeting, you will have plenty of time to chat with everyone individually.
I'm happy with that plan. So, what will you say when you introduce me at the meeting? It's good for me to be prepared.
It is. I like to follow a very simple and clear structure for my introductions. First, I will get everyone's attention and announce that we have a new member joining our team.
Okay, that's the opening.
Then I will clearly state your full name and your new job title so everyone knows who you are and what your role in the team is.
My name and my job title. Got it.
After that, I would like to give the team a little bit of information about your professional background. For example, what you studied at university and where you worked before joining our company.
That's a nice idea. It helps people to know a little bit about my experience.
Yes, it gives them some context. And finally, after I have given my short introduction, I will give you the opportunity to say a few words yourself. So, as I said, I would like to say a few sentences about your professional background. To make sure I get the details right, could you please give me a few key points that you would be comfortable with me sharing?
Of course, that's a great idea. Well, for my education, you can mention that I have a bachelor's degree in marketing and communications from the University of Vienna.
A degree in marketing and communications. Perfect. That is very relevant for your new role.
And for my work experience, my last job was at a small digital marketing agency here in the city. I worked there for 2 years as a junior marketing assistant.
Okay, so 2 years of experience at a digital marketing agency. And what were your main responsibilities there?
My main duties were to support the marketing managers with their campaigns. I helped with market research, preparing content for social media, and writing the monthly newsletters.
That is fantastic. Your experience is a perfect match for this team. So I will say something like, Speaker 1 has a degree in marketing and joins us from a local digital agency where he gained 2 years of experience in content creation and market research.
That introduction sounds perfect. Thank you. It summarizes my experience very well.
Great. I think it would also be a good idea if I quickly introduce the other team members to you now. That way, you will already know their names and their roles before you meet them on Monday.
That would be incredibly helpful. It's always so hard to remember everyone's name on your first day.
It is. So, our team has 4 members, plus me as the team leader. The first person you should know about is Maria. She is our marketing specialist.
Maria, the marketing specialist, what are her main responsibilities?
Maria is in charge of all of our big advertising campaigns. She is very creative and has a brilliant eye for design. She also manages our relationship with our external design agency.
So she is the creative expert on the team.
She is. And she is also a very warm and friendly person. I am sure you will get along with her very well. Her desk is right next to yours, so she will be your desk buddy.
It's great to have a friendly desk buddy when you are new. So that's Maria, the creative marketing specialist. Who else is on the team?
The next key member of our team is David. David is our data analyst.
The data analyst. So he is the numbers guy.
He is exactly that. His main responsibility is to track and analyze the performance of all our marketing activities. He is an expert at using Excel and other analytics software.
So he is the one who tells us if our campaigns are successful or not.
Yes, he creates all the weekly and monthly reports with the key metrics and statistics. His work is very important because it helps us to make smart, data-driven decisions.
What is he like as a person?
David is very intelligent and very detail-oriented. He is a little bit quieter than Maria, but he is incredibly helpful. If you ever have a question about numbers or a problem with a spreadsheet, David is the person to ask. So the team is Maria, the creative specialist, David, the data analyst, and then there is one more person, Thomas. He is our content writer, but he works part-time and only comes into the office on Wednesdays and Fridays. So you will meet him later in the week.
Okay, that is very clear. Maria, David, and Thomas. Thank you for the introductions. It really helps to have an idea of who is who.
You are very welcome. Now, let's go back to the plan for your introduction at the team meeting. As I said, after I have introduced you, I will give you the chance to say hello to the team yourself.
I was a bit worried about that part. I am not very good at public speaking, and I will be the new person. I don't know what I should say.
It's completely normal to feel a bit nervous, but it doesn't have to be a long or formal speech at all.
That's good to hear.
You just need to say a few friendly sentences. It's just an opportunity for the team to hear your voice and to get a small sense of your personality.
So I don't need to prepare a big formal speech about my career goals and my life philosophy?
No, definitely not. That would be very strange. The best advice I can give you is to keep your introduction short, simple, and friendly.
Short, simple, and friendly. I can do that. Can you give me an example of what a good introduction would sound like?
Of course. You could start by just saying hello and that you are happy to be there. For example, "Hi everyone, it's great to meet you all."
That's a nice, simple start. What should I say next?
You could then say that you are excited to be joining the team and that you are looking forward to working with everyone. Something like, "I am really excited to be joining the marketing team and I am looking forward to working with all of you."
That also sounds very positive and professional.
And then, if you want to, you can add one small personal detail about yourself. This helps you to seem more relatable. You could mention one of your hobbies. For example, "In my free time, I really enjoy hiking and playing the guitar."
That is a brilliant tip. It helps people to see me as a person, not just a new employee. So my short introduction will be say hello, say I am excited to be here, and maybe mention one of my hobbies.
That is a perfect plan. I feel so much less nervous about that now.
I knew you would. It's all about being prepared. So what happens after the team meeting is finished?
That is a good question. What is the plan for the rest of my first morning?
After our team meeting, I will take you on a proper tour of the rest of the office. I will introduce you to some key people from other departments that you will be working with. For example, someone from the sales team and someone from the product team.
That will be very useful.
And then we will take care of all the practical administrative things. We will go to the Human Resources Department to get your official employee ID card and to sign any final paperwork.
My ID card. I will need that to get into the building.
Yes. And after that, we will go back to your desk and I will help you to get your computer set up. I will show you how to log into the system and how to access all the important software and files.
And then, after all of that, the most important part of your first day will begin.
What is that?
Lunch. The whole team will take you out for a welcome lunch at a nice restaurant near the office. It's a tradition we have for every new team member.
A welcome lunch with the whole team? That is such a lovely tradition. It sounds like a great way to get to know everyone in a more informal setting.
It is. It's our way of saying, "Welcome to the family." We are a very friendly and sociable team.
I can already tell that. This has been the most welcoming and well-organized start to a new job that I have ever had.
I am so happy to hear that. We want you to feel comfortable and supported from day one.
Well, you have definitely achieved that. I feel so much more relaxed and prepared for Monday now. I know exactly what is going to happen, and I know who I am going to meet. Thank you so much for this call.
It was my absolute pleasure. We are all really looking forward to meeting you in person on Monday. Have a fantastic rest of your weekend.
You too, Speaker 2. See you on Monday morning.